Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to Tekra Media. There are many times you create videos for upload to social media platforms like YouTube, and they end up being very huge files spanning to several gigabytes. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to compress such huge videos and reduce their file size without losing their quality, with the help of an absolutely free open source tool called Handbrake. And now let's jump right into it. And now let's head straight to the browser, and you need to go to the official Handbrake website, which is handbrake.fr. Go to the downloads folder. Here you'll find setups for several platforms, from Mac OS to Windows to Linux. So in our case, we're going to go with 64-bit Windows 10. So click there to download, and then we have the download running. So once you're done with the download, we can go ahead to programs and run the setup. Alright, just like any other Windows installation wizard, just click next, next again, select the destination folder, next, and then the wizard will run on its own. Once complete, you can close that and go ahead and launch the application. So for the first time opening, it might take a little bit of time, a few seconds. So this is the welcome screen. We can cancel that one so that we get to the full screen. So for us to be able to load the video we want to compress, click open. We'll go ahead and go to this folder. We can pick one file here to compress. Alright, so the original file is 18 megabytes. Alright, as you can see here, it is 18 megabytes. So I want to compress this one and reduce it and see how big it will be after compressing. So we'll use the default preset, which is fast 1080 resolution, 30 frames per second. The format will leave it as MP4, which is compatible with most devices, and we make sure we check web optimize so that the video is optimized for upload to the web. Alright, and the dimensions, it will show the dimensions of the video by default. So what we need to do is select custom here under cropping, and then ensure that all values are 0, so that during encoding the software will not be able to crop our video. And the video will select our video codec as the default one, H.264, and then our frame rate per second will remain to be 30, but here we're going to select constant frame rate. And then under quality, we're going to select maybe 23 as our frame rate, our quality. The higher the value, the lower the quality. The lower the value, the better the quality. So you move around the pointer so that you achieve the best that you require. Then we come to optimize video. Encoder preset, we're going to use a slow. So in this setting, the slower you set this value, the lower the file size of the video that will be encoded. The faster you want the process to go, the higher the value or the bigger the file size that will be output. So I'll use slow for now. Alright, so for now we leave it as such, and then we'll go ahead and select our file that we're going to output. So we'll save it. So we're going to save our file as compressed, so that after the encoding we are going to compare the file size of the two, the original one and the new one that has been compressed. So let's continue, and then after that we can proceed and click start encode. So down here it will show the progress bar until it completes to 100%. So as you can see, the compression is complete, and our new file size, which is compressed, is 8.96 megabytes compared to the original that was 18.3 megabytes. So as you can see, the compression was successful, and the new file is half the size of the original file. And if you go ahead and play the new file, as you can see, the quality is still clear and it has not been affected by the compression. Alright, so that is it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe so that you can get more and more amazing content like this.